Question number 4. A company charge. We have two companies, and let H the number of hours, and we write the formula. It's too easy to write the formula for this question as we said. Okay, so I will start this time with minus. As we said before, you can start with anyone. I will start with minus 5.50h. As I say, you can start with minus 20, or start with minus 5.50, or start with minus 15, or start with, okay. So I will add it same here, 5.50h. So this will delete it because the answer is 0. So in the first side, we have it only 20. The first side we have 20 equal. Second side 15. 6 minus 5, 1, and 15 will 0. 1h. Don't forget the h. Okay, as I said, we must put the variable in one side and the number in other side. So 15, it's not in this position, must be in the other side. So I will put minus 15 both side. If I write minus 15, so the first side 5 equal h, the h from the second side. Why? Because this is will deleted 0. So h equal 5. And they say for what number here, for what number of hour in the cost for the rental the same, for what, for 5 hours. Okay, at the 5 hours the rental will be same, 5 hours. Okay, in the beginning of question they write and solve equation for each exercise and check. So I'm sorry I didn't check for question number 1, 2 and 3, but you must check. Let's check for number 4. Check. As we said, first write the formula. H plus 15, equal 15 plus 6.50h as h equal 5. From where we take it h equal 5? From the answer. Let's see, 20 plus 5.50. This is time, so times 5. It is equal 15 plus 6.50 times 5. Let's see, this one, it will be 27.5 plus 20. So the first side, it is equal 47.50. Okay, let's see the second side. This one, 6.50 times 5, it will be 32.50. Don't forget plus 15. 15 plus 32.50, it is 47.50. So the both side is equal. So our answer, it's correct. Okay, do it again to understand very well. Last question. Dina and Lulu are playing game at the arcade. Dina start with 15 and the machine she is playing cost 0.75 per game. And now Lulu start with 13 and her machine cost 50 per game. How many games will the two friends have the same amount of money? Let G represent the number of games. So they said let G, look here, let G represent the number of game. So the variable G. First they want the equation, the formula. So amount of the remaining after, where is it, after how many games will the two friends have the same amount of money remaining يعني الباقي. okay, let's write 15 for this one minus 0.75 G, so equal 13 minus 0.50 G. Why? Because they are remaining. الباقي, that's mean minus. okay, then number of game, so that's mean we must solve the formula. Let's write it here. Equation minus 0.75 G equal 13 minus 0.50 G. So as I said, you can start with any of these four numbers. So I will start with plus 0.50 G plus 0.50 G. You can start with minus 15, it's okay. First side we have 15 minus 5 minus 0.5, 7 minus 5, it's 2, and point, we put it the point 5 to 0.0, okay, and G equal 13. So this will delete because it is 0, right? Okay, let's move. So here, as I said, must put it number one side, variable on one side. So I minus 15 minus 15, because this is side of number, we have one number, so I will move it this 15 to other side. I will put it minus 15. 15 minus 15 is 0, so in the first side we have it minus 0.25 G equal minus 2. 13 minus 15, it is minus 2. Let's do it here. 2 divide by 25. I will delete the point, then later I will put it. So 2 divide by 25, it is, we can't, so we will 0 point and we added 0. 20 divide by 25, it is, we can't, so we will added more 0. 200 divide by 25, so we must have the multiplication of 25. 25 times 7, 25 times 8, so 8 times 25, it's 200, it's 0, 0, 0. So 2 divide by 25, 2 divide by 25, it is 2 divide by 25, we get it 0.08, but we didn't have 25, we have divide by 100 here, divide by 100. So this divide, we'll put it times 100 in the answer, okay? So 2 divide by 0.25, it is 8. So here G, this is divide by minus 0.25, as we here, we get it here. The answer is 8. So the answer is 8. So here, number of games, it is 8. At the same amount, how many games will the two friends have to the same amount of money remaining at 8 games. يعني عندنا هذه البنتين يوم يلعبون عند في أي لعبة بيوصلون نفس المبلغ الباقي في اللعبة الثامنة. أوكي، كل الأسئلة بنفس النمط.